basahin mo.
Second Timothy, chapter 2, verse 1.
Sige.
2 verse 1. Ano?
Second Timothy,
Chapter
2, verse 5.
Sige, tayo.
English.
Sige.
English.
And if a man also strive for masteries, yet he is not proud except he strive lawfully.
Para 1 Timothy yata yan. Second Timothy.
2 Timothy.
Tama ba?
Oo.
Okay. Now, maraming salamat. Dito po kasi sa